Hey, what's up guys, it's Jungle Society here, and today I'll be showing you another Bukkit plugin tutorial. So basically this one will be on exploding chickens. And as you can see, I have kind of a chicken thing going on here because last time I had explosive eggs. So when you throw it, it sends out a TNT. But this is going to be pretty cool. It'll be cool. You'll see. Okay. So basically we're going to go into Eclipse, make a new project. I already have one over here that I tested. I'm not sure. I might have to use it for reference. Sorry. Whatever. But explosive chickens. Okay. Now we. Oh, okay. Now we right-click, new package. Your name here. Not Jungle Society, your name, then, and then the name, so explosive chickens. I spelled that right? Yeah, I spelled that right, okay. Then I'm gonna add a new class. Let's see, I'll just call it main because I'm cool. Alright, now I'm gonna start off by creating the Plugin.yml, so right click source, new, file, plugin.yml, name colon, explosive chickens, version colon 1.0, no, not 2.0, 1.0, main colon your name here. Basically whatever this is, and then the class, so Jungle Society dot explosive chickens dot main. Okay. And you can put the author if you would like. I mean, you know, your name there. Whatever. And I'm just gonna refresh this because I'm cool. Yep. Alright. Now here comes the part where we have to import stuff. If you haven't seen the other tutorial, I may be going too fast and stuff. I didn't even explain. Okay, whatever. Basically, you gotta go download CraftBukkit, link below, and then put it as in the properties, and then the build path, and the libraries, external jar. Yeah. And then we're gonna extend Java plugin. And I'm just going to auto import with Control-Shift-O, or you can hover over it, either or. And then I'm just going to type on enable, and then I'm going to go Control space, and then this thing will pop up, and I just can click enter there, and it automatically puts it there for me. Yay! And I'm just going to do that, and then on disable, and then boom. I don't need this super stuff. I don't even know what that means, but okay. Alright. Now we go Bukkit. Well, we gotta register the event, so get plugin manager dot register events with an S. This, comma this. The semicolon. Okay. And then no Eclipse about that on disable. So we're just gonna go at event handler to register our event. I hate this. Okay. Now let main implement listener because that's just the right thing to do. Public void. What should we make this called? Well, basically we're gonna check it when the player moves and see if they're near a chicken, and if they are, then have the chicken explode. Yep. Alright, so chicken near. It can be whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Then we can go then we can go player move event E. And we can import event handler because we can. Now we're gonna say who the player is. So player equals dot get player with a semicolon. And then we're gonna import player. Okay, now here comes something that you may or may not know. I don't know, but whatever. We're going to create an array list. What an array list is basically a list of all objects. Yeah, of objects that you put in it. So we're going to just go list. Entity. We're just going to create a list of all the entities. List entity. Should we call it entities equals new list entity. Now, what's your problem? Unimplement methods? What? Oh, I don't really want that there. Sorry. What is your problem? Cannot initiate list entity. Oh, that's not good. Why not? Oh, not even telling it what to do. Okay, sorry. Now we're gonna go player dot get their world and then get the entities in that world, and that's what'll be in the array list. Okay. Now we're gonna loop through these entities and see. Yeah, we're just gonna loop through them. Okay. So we can assign a variable to them. Entities, colon. Actually, we don't want that. Chicken, because that's cool. Entities. And we're gonna do some braces or brackets or whatever those things are. Now we're gonna, what should we do? We're gonna check if it's a chicken, because right now it's just a plain old entity. Anything can be an entity, you know. Okay, so if chicken is instance of, basically if chicken is a chicken, then you're probably gonna have to import that from org.bukkit.entity, of course. And what are we gonna do now? We're gonna check if it's near the player. If chicken dot get get location dot distance player dot get location is less than or equal to 6. This could be any number, but I recommend a lower number. Alright, what's your problem? For the location, int get location, int. What? Hang on a second. So what do we do? Yeah, we got get location dot distance player dot get location less than or equal to. Okay, I gotcha. Sorry about that. But we're gonna have to just put the location there, and then we're gonna just check if it's less than or equal to 6. So basically, if the chicken's location is less than or equal to 6 blocks away from the player's location, so if the chicken is within 6 blocks of the player, then we're gonna do something. And that's where copy and paste comes in. Sorry, I have to do that for these schedulers because I can never remember how to do them. I always have to refer to the Bukkit website. It's horrible. Eventually I'll get it. So basically we're going to create a scheduler, and what a scheduler is, it'll run something after a certain amount of ticks in Minecraft. There's 20 ticks in a second, so if we want this chicken to explode after 3 seconds, we're going to go 3 times 20. You can put an L there if you want, but I don't want it there. An L means long, so yeah. Alright, now what are we going to do? Now we're going to go player.getWorld.create explosion player.get. No, we're not going to get the players. Okay, so we're going to get. Oh. This is interesting. Okay. We're going to create the chicken's location. Sorry. Create. Get world. Create explosion chicken get chicken get location comma 3.0 F. Okay, what is your problem with chicken? Oh, okay. Teachable moment. Sorry, that was weird. Alright. Basically, if we hover over this and want a final, basically inside of when you're running a Bukkit scheduler, it wants everything to be final because they don't want things to change if it's gonna run it. It's kind of annoying, but if it's local, it does that. Yeah. And basically, so this is gonna create an explosion at the chicken's location, and the power is going to be 3.0 Fs. 3.0 Fs. Yeah. If you did 0.0, there would be no block damage. 3.0 makes it so it's I think it's around a creeper explosion size. And the more you go up, the bigger the explosion and stuff. So now we're just gonna kill the chicken, because if that explosion didn't kill it, then you know we just have an alive chicken that just exploded. And that's not really right. Set health. And okay, yeah, more teachable moments. Okay, we're just gonna set his health to 0, which will basically kill him. Alright, so chicken, and this had to be casted to chicken. What does that mean? Casted. Okay, so casting means to change the variable type to in that specific location. So basically it's saying that chicken has to be a chicken to set its health. At the moment it's an entity, not a chicken, which is what it needs to be. Alright. So then we have this yellow underline thing, which it just wants a depreciation, which you don't need to add that, but you can. Alright, so basically let's run through this again. So list all the entities in the player's world, and run through all the entities. If oh crap, I probably shouldn't have done that. if the entity is a chicken, and the chicken is less than or equal to 6, if the chicken is within 6 blocks of the player, then wait 3 seconds or 60 ticks, and then create an explosion at the chicken's location with the 3.0. Oh man, what did I do? 3.0 rate, and then not a rate, amplifier, and then kill the chicken. Okay, I think that's right. Just refresh this. What do I do? Refresh, export, next, finish. Okay. I already have something here, and you can put the thing there. Yeah, okay. So then we're gonna go into our server. Yay! I have it running, so I'm just gonna, yeah. I spawned a lot of mobs. Okay. We're gonna reload it or restart it or however you prefer to do things. Check if we got errors. We don't. That's always good. And then we are going to look for a chicken. If we can find one, then that's just dandy. Not a cow, a chicken. Why are you lagging? That's weird. Okay. I don't know. Oh, there's the explosion did village. Yeah, right there. That we did last episode. Okay. So I can't seem to find a chicken, so I guess we'll have to spawn one in here. So we can, I'm gonna use a command to spawn one in with essentials, but you can use a spawn egg, you know. So / mob chicken 1. Okay, there's a chicken. Now we're gonna walk up to it, and if we're within 6 blocks of it, it's gonna explode and get killed. It should. Oh, yep, it did. It just did. That's good. Okay.